From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow here with your Monday evening forecast. We're going to jump right in at a look at fall foliage here in Pennsylvania and along the northeast. You can see the only spots that are past peak are the extreme northern tiers of New England. Right here in Center County, we are experiencing high and peak levels of fall foliage. So this weekend will be a perfect time to go out and see that beautiful fall colors here. And here's a look back earlier today over the course of a few hours. If you were out early this morning on Monday, you probably noticed some raindrops falling, but that rain cleared out as we moved through the day, and by 3 p.m. we were basically clear here in Center County. Parts of the northeastern part of the state, as well as New York and New England, were not as lucky, and they were experiencing rain. However, we are also due for some rain again here. We're done for the rest of the day on Monday, but starting on Tuesday is when we can see the onset of some rain. We'll be mostly dry throughout the morning, but by mid-afternoon, there'll be the chance of some showers, very scattered, not as uniformed and organized, but they will bring in some clouds and some gusty winds here, but they'll have moved out near the end of the day. But as we look ahead into Wednesday, very early Wednesday morning is when we can see some more impactful, more widespread rain. And as we move through Wednesday, the rain chance will continue. And by Thursday, another rain chance around the same time on Thursday will have arrived. So don't put away the umbrellas and the jackets just yet. You'll be needing them at the end of this week. But you can put them away by Friday. There'll be less impactful rain here. Most of that heavier rain will be situated to the north here in parts of Vermont and New York, but leaving Center County a bit cloudy, but nice and dry. Let's see how our temperatures stack up for the rest of the week. Our trend, well, we are trending down here. We're going to be in the 60s on Tuesday, but by the middle of the week through the end of the week, we'll be in the low 50s before we jump back up to the mid 50s on Saturday, but nowhere near the above average temperatures we were experiencing at the beginning of the month and even into last month. Now, here is your forecast for tonight. We are looking at temperatures just above the frost advisory level. Any temperatures around 36 to 32 degrees is capable of producing frost, so some areas might dip down below 36, giving way to some frost, but not so much freeze. And here is your forecast for tomorrow, 62 degrees with some scattered showers throughout the day, mainly at the end of the day, afternoon rather, here, and a little bit gusty, 9 miles per hour out of the southwest. And here's a look at your 7-day forecast. You can see that trend of temperatures backing off will start on Wednesday. We'll have temperatures in the low 50s through the end of the week before we jump up to the mid 50s on Saturday. And those clouds will remain on Sunday as we approach 60, but won't quite hit it before we go back down to 57 with the chance of showers next Monday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow. Have a great rest of your Monday.